Really cute design is specially formed for a stylo 5, a 6.5 inch screen. So as you can see here, it's fairly lengthy. So feel free when you do your adjustments in the stitching in the very beginning, instead of doing the chain 32, either add or subtract depending on how long your phone is. Alright. Good morning, welcome to Malinda's Designs. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do this cell phone case. Really cute baby chick. Okay, well the materials you'll be needing, of course, is a yarn needle 3.0 millimeter hook, pair of scissors, of course, any yarn of your choosing. I have a bright yellow and I'm going to do a little bit of pumpkin orange. I'm going to use a super adhesive fabric glue and of course some wiggly eyes. Okay. Alright, when doing a slip knot on the hook, be sure to leave a little bit of a tail. So this way you can sew in on the corners of the opposite side. After you do that slip knot on the hook, we'll go ahead and do a total of 32 chains. Alright, starting in that second chain from the hook, we'll do a total of 31 double crochets. Alright, after we get the 31 double crochets, we'll go ahead and do a chain 1. And after that, we'll turn our work and we'll do single crochet in each of the stitches, which will be a total of 31 single crochets. Okay, for our next step, we're going to be doing my new stitch that I just created, and that's called the 3 blind mice stitch. Now how you do that is by doing a chain 1, turning your work. The first stitch will be doing a single crochet, and the next stitch will be a triple crochet, and then the stitch after that will be a half double crochet. That is your 3 blind mice stitch. Okay, we'll continue doing this until the end of the row. Simply doing a single crochet, triple crochet, and a half double crochet. Okay, if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate the support. Now, if you want your business or anything that you're doing right now to be noticed, please feel free to write a comment down below and share this video on your Instagram stories. Be sure to tag me in it. And once you do that, I will go ahead and do my next video and be sure to give you a shout out. Alright, I'll show you one more time. Single crochet in the next stitch, triple crochet, just yarn over twice, go into that next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull the last 2. That's your triple crochet. Okay, yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through all of those loops. That is your half double crochet. Okay, just continue doing that pattern until the end of the row, just like I previously stated. We're in at the end of this row. We'll have 2 more stitches, and what we'll do is we'll do a single crochet in each. Okay, after that we'll turn our work. Simply do a chain 2. Now we'll do a double crochet in each of the stitches, which should be a total of 31 double crochets. Just so you know, I'm not counting any chain 1s or chains 2s before each of the rows. I just want you to know that. Alright, I just wanted to flip it on over and let you see this texture that I got going here because of that triple crochet. It gives it like a little pop. Isn't that cool? Alright, okay, our next row, we're going to simply do a chain 1, and we'll do just like how we did the previous row, and that is doing a single crochet, triple crochet, and a half double crochet combination. Be sure to do each stitch in their own stitch. Okay, and make sure that the last 2 stitches are single crochets. Alright, I will see you at the end of this row. Okay, see that nice little pop that we have because of that triple crochet again? I just wanted you to see it. I don't know, I really loving this new stitch that I created because of that pop. Alright, and make sure that each of your rows have a total of 31 stitches, irregardless what type of combination you use. Except for one, and that's this next row that we're fixing to do. Instead of doing the normal 31 double crochets, we're only going to do a total of, let's see here, let me turn it around here real quick, turning my work here. Sorry about that. It's going to be a total of 23. So we'll do 23 double crochets, and then we'll do, at the end of that, a chain 12. Okay, let's simply go ahead and do the double crochets here real quick. Alright, now that we have the 23 double crochets, we'll simply do chain 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And we'll do a slip stitch into the top of the previous row. Right here at the top. That very last stitch. Okay, we'll attach it. Alright, go ahead and do a chain 1. We'll turn our work. Now this is the part where the camera is, so this way it doesn't interfere with when you're taking pictures. We could still have that case on. Okay, we'll simply do a single crochet in the first 2 stitches. Excuse me. Kind of getting off camera there. And then of course we'll do a single crochet in the next stitch after that. And we'll do just the 3 blind mice stitch, okay? Triple crochet, and then a half double crochet after that. Okay, again. Let me get that half double crochet real quick. Alright, there we go. Okay, single crochet in the next stitch. Triple crochet in the stitch after that. And then of course a half double crochet in the stitch after that. Okay, we'll continue that pattern until the end of the row. Be sure to do the last 2 stitches again, a single crochet. Okay, it's coming along pretty well. As you can see here, that special spot for the camera. And of course the nice texture that I got going here too. Okay, for our next row, we'll simply do a chain 2, turn our work, and we'll do a double crochet in each of the stitches, totaling 31 double crochets. Okay, I'll see you at the end of this row. Alright, in our next row, we'll do a chain 1, we'll turn our work, and we'll do as just like the row before that, doing that single crochet, triple crochet, half double crochet. And in the last 2 stitches, doing the single crochet. Okay, I'll see you at the end of this row. Alright, now for our last 2 rows, we'll simply do a double crochet in each of the stitches, which will be a total of 31 double crochets. And then in the next stitch, or in the next row after that, excuse me, you'll be doing a single crochet in each of the stitches. Alright, we'll see you at the end of both rounds. Okay, just did my 31 double crochets. Gonna do a chain 1, turn my work, and now I'm gonna do the 31 single crochets. Alright, now that we're done that row, we'll simply do a slip stitch, and then we'll leave a long enough tail so we can sew in both sides there, meaning on this end here. Alright, just simply attach your yarn needle, and right where the double crochet row that just was here, excuse me, just give me a second, just kind of like fold it over, just like so. And simply take your extra piece of yarn and attach the end piece to the row right directly across. Just make sure you have it down there nice and securely, so then this way when you slide your phone in there, it won't move. Okay, I guess I'll just do it one more time and then make that knot. And of course weave in my ends. Okay, we'll simply cut that piece. Alright, just lay that aside because we've got to do the other side. And we're going to do the same thing to this side. Simply fold it in half. And of course attach both ends here. Simply by doing it with a final piece, by doing a knot. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and do the opposite side here. Fold that end over. And then of course sew in both end pieces, securing it with a knot. Same thing with this side. Alright, there you have it. Alright, now we're going to do the beak and attach the little hair that's up on top, and then of course do the eyes. Okay, just simply use the super adhesive fabric glue and attach a little bit of glue on the back of these wiggly eyes. Make sure it's not too much, but enough where it'll stick to where you're wanting it to be. Okay, just attach it to the yarn. No rhyme or reason. Alright, all I do is put a piece of scrap yarn, pumpkin orange in color is what I used, and just I went to the top here. Alright, I just pulled it up. And what I simply did was take the two end pieces and just shimmied it in the hook part before I attached the knot. And then of course slid it through, went back in there again, this time going through the center of this right here, as you see, and did another knot. Okay, you repeat that process as much as you want, or as little. Of course we gotta secure it. I wasn't thinking there, sorry about that. Went ahead and shimmied it because we don't want to see any more of this part, so we went ahead on the inside and just shimmied it through the back. Weave in the ends basically, so it's not seen. Of course you do as much or as little as you want. This time I'm just going to do it for time's sake, because just add two little strands. Okay, next I did a beak. Of course left a little bit of tail. Did a slip knot or slip on the hook. Go ahead and do a total of 6 chains. 5 and 6. Okay. Go ahead and do a single crochet in that second chain from the hook. Half double crochet in the next chain. A double crochet in the chain after that. And then of course a triple crochet in the remainder of the chains. Whoops. Kind of did a little boo-boo, but it's okay. We all make mistakes. Come on, Malinda. You got this. Alright, after you get that done, do a slip stitch. Of course, leave a tail long enough so you can sew on. Pull it through, attach your yarn needle. Okay, place your beak anywhere that you're wanting it to be. I'm going to simply attach it right here, hand sew it in, and then there you have it. There's your baby chick phone case cover. Isn't it cute? Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you when I see ya. Alright, bye-bye.